Okay, great.
Please put it here now. You can give it back to your ma'am.
Give it to sir. Give it to Ashish
Which
sir.
number is this?
2.
Okay.
Great.
Which number is this? Please look at the number first.
3.
Wow.
Which number is this?
This is it.
Sit properly, please.
4.
Wow.
Well done, very good. Don't move so much. Sit straight. Which number is this? Show it. Can you please
Yes.
say
Tell
the
me
number
which
first?
number is this? It's. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Very
Okay,
nice.
good.
Sit properly.
Which
Sit properly.
number is this?
Very nice.
Look at the number first. Look at the number.
Number. Which number is this?
6.
Very nice. Sit loudly, Vita.
6.
Very nice. Sit properly.
Why are you getting up again and again?
She's not your mom. She's ma'am right now. Okay.
Okay, this is which letter? A.
Very nice.
Okay, go.
Sound.
This is which sound of this letter?
Daddy.
No, this is not Dada Daddy. Please
Ba.
look at it.
Very nice.
Ball.
Sit properly. Sit properly. First, sit properly. Yeah. Good. Or you can stand
and
also. You can
which
stand
letter
also.
is this?
Cookie.
Ka.
Cookie.
Wow.
Good, nice. What about this letter? Sound of this letter.
Danny. The daddy.
Very nice.
Good, nice. What about this letter? Sound of this letter. E.
Elbow.
Elbow.
Why are you moving so much? Elbow. Elbow. What about this letter?
Face.
Face.
Very nice.
Okay. Which letter is this?
Go. Very nice.
Okay, good, well done. What about this letter?
E.
In.
Very nice.
Now this.
Juice.
Okay, good, well done. What about
Very
this
nice.
letter?
Mommy.
Very nice.
Okay, good. Oh, so stand straight. What about this letter? No, this is not B. This is not B. Play. Play. What about this letter? No, look at the letter first.
Show it to me.
Don't
Yeah.
be in a hurry.
Wow.
Look
It's
at the letter.
Q.
Very nice.
Q.
Q.
What about this letter?
Stop.
Very
Good,
nice.
well done. What about this?
Toilet. Toilet.
Okay, what about this letter?
Show it to me. Okay.
Up.
Yeah.
Up. And okay, now this is one more. What about this? This is no.
No.
Okay. I think all the letters are over now. Some letters.
Good. Very nice, Devanshi. Very nice.